Alright guys, check this out. I was at the local grocery store. This was on sale. You would never expect how much this was. But it's a limited edition. Look at that. Limited edition. They don't make these anymore apparently. So I'm joking. But made from AQUAFABA. So this is rich and soft vanilla mousse gingerbread man. It is dairy free, check that out there. And if you look here, I can't see that, what it says: soy free, peanuts free, gluten free, dairy free. AQUAFABA. Let's take a look at the ingredients. This here is, so it's basically chickpeas, water and chickpeas, sugar, flour, brown rice, tapioca, agar is in there, so be aware of that, guys. Some baking soda. There's the nutrient panel, 21 grams. Wow, that's a lot of sugar. So let's open this up and we'll do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what they look like. Nice little gingerbread man. There's no face on it or anything like the cover. There's no ribbon. But we're going to open this and do a taste test. Alright, so it has a nice gingerbread aroma. I can smell it from here. It's got that nice gingerbread aroma. You can smell the sugar just off of this as well. So it's... Okay, so the texture is really weird, guys. It tastes like a Jello in between. It doesn't melt. It's like Jello in between, literally Jello. Yeah, it's at this sort of Jello-y puffiness texture to it. Doesn't melt. It's basically Jello, so it's gonna taste a little bit different for you guys. It's not really ice cream at all, guys. Kind of disappointing. Texture is really weird. It's like two pieces of bread with Jello in between. All right, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. The gingerbread itself is just gingerbread. It's really weird, but not even that good. Like, they should just made out of coconut milk or something. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.